Hello and welcome everyone to the 23rd video lecture of Services Marketing, semester 6, module number 3. In today's video lecture, we are going to continue with service marketing mix elements, and in today's video lecture, we are discussing physical evidence. So, what is this physical evidence? Physical evidence is the environment in which the service is delivered and where the firm and the customers interact, and any tangible commodities that facilitate performance or communication of the service. So what happens in this case is basically physical evidence is the environment where the service is delivered to the customer, and it includes all the tangible commodities that is associated with delivering the service to the customer. For example, in a beauty parlor, the physical evidence might be the atmosphere of the parlor, the seating arrangements, the appointment how you are gonna give, the various artifacts, decorations, uniforms, tools, equipments, the chair, the mirror, everything what is there, the layout, the design of the service scape, that is the place where the service is delivered to you. This all these all things in I come under the physical evidence part. Examples again, for example, if you want to add in general, apart from this beauty parlor example, are certificates, awards won by the firm, company brochure, visiting cards, pamphlets, website pages, exterior or interior design of the building, which includes tidiness and cleanliness of the workplace, machinery, equipments, and tools that are used in the workplace, the decoration, the lighting, the appearance of the employees, which include uniform and the look of the employees itself, the ambience of the service scape, which includes the fragrance, that is the scent or the smell there, the temperature, the lighting, everything come under physical evidence. This is very important because physical evidence plays a vital role in communicating the expected quality to the customer. Looking at the physical evidence only, you will get to know, people assume certain type of quality that they are gonna get from this service place, that is from this service provider. Now it includes the servicescape. What is servicescape? Servicescape is basically those things, that is it includes servicescape, that is all the physical facilities which are there where in the location where the service is delivered. So wherever the service is delivered to the customer, the physical facilities which are there involved in giving the services to the customer, all those physical facilities which come under servicescape. The servicescape is very important because it creates mood, longing, attraction, or desire to visit or recommend a particular service provider by tangibilization. Now, what is tangibilization of services? Tangibilization of services is basically where, see, services are intangible. So you have to, what service marketers say is, you have to add as many tangible aspects as possible. For example, say a tuition class is there, who may be delivering classes, lecture, oral lecture is being delivered. Now if the person is delivering only oral lecture, it is very intangible. So to make it tangible, that is to tangibilize this lecture series, what he can do is he can provide notes, printed notes. So this can be done. So tangibilization of thing can be services can be performed by physical evidence. So this is very important because it now certain the tangible things are there in this intangible service also. So customers will start looking at the tangible aspects also slowly. uh, Physical evidence includes the service scape, we have already said this, and that is why tangibilization of this is very important. It includes the tangible touch points, for example brochure, what we have already discussed, the building itself, the dress of the people, the furniture, wall decor, again all the physical evidences which are there that come under this physical evidence. By looking at that physical evidence only, people or the customers will expect a certain type of services. I've told you. For example, if you go to a dhaba, you looking at the arrangement there in the dhaba, the physical evidence which is there in the dhaba, you'll get to see a, you'll expect certain kind of a service. Just opposite to that, there's one more dhaba. Suppose looking at that physical appearance itself, you'll get a certain kind, expect certain type of quality of service that you are going to be delivered. So now based upon that expectation only, you will decide which dhaba you will go and purchase, or you'll have your food. So that is why physical evidence is very important, because people looking at the physical evidence also, people take a decision whether to purchase the service or not, and whether to recommend it to certain other peoples or not. So this is very important, especially in these days where COVID-19 is there. Physical evidence has gained a lot of importance, especially with respect to safety and hygiene. So with this we end today's lecture. I hope you have understood today's lecture. This is quite easy, physical evidence, because these are certain things which you can see. That is why it is very easy. So if you have any difficulties, you can always contact us.